Do you have the answer to Daniel's question, the one about when someone says, I do not want to die of cancer?
I'm sticking to my opinion because it would mean self-destruction.
I agree with you.
The universe does not think, does not reflect, and does not analyze. It will record, I want to die of cancer. And since the universe always gives us what we ask, it always gives us cancer.
It's absurd.
You can argue all you want. You will not change the law of the universe. You will simply remain the victim of your own narrow mind.
What happens to everyone that doesn't know about the laws?
They are victims of their ignorance. Not all humans are at the same level of evolution, and many are not open to changes and understanding. Let's hope that one day they will be open up to this dimension that will be something new for them. An important point that you have yet to understand is that energies are cumulative in two ways. Let me explain. When we say something like, there is no problem, the universe records, there are problems. The fact that it is said consciously or unconsciously or as a cliché, the verb's energy will still be the same for the universe. Moreover, the energies are cumulative. For example, each time you use the word problem, energy accumulates. You will not live a troubled situation each time, but its energy will accumulate and another problem will arise that you will have to overcome. There are people that are always in problematic situations and do not understand why they can't snap out of it. To summarize, they believe they were born to have a hard time. If you ask me, you just create them a problem. Here you are. I couldn't miss out on this occasion to come and say hello. I know that they will be all worried and that some of them will want to stop the approach because of its rigidity. I want to thank you and return to my candidates that are back to square one. For once, I agree with you. But the ones that drop out won't change anything regarding the universal conditions of their thought mechanisms and won't stop thinking. It's true, but the more people think in a negative way, the more things will go astray in the world and I will have it easy. What you are saying is true. The goal of the capsules is not to change the world, but to give explanations on how thought works. I am aware, of course, that the more people in this world think correctly, the more the quality of life on the planet will change. It is not only the word problem that has to be changed. We must change all expressions that are negative as well, such as, oh, it's hell, it's a disaster, it's disgusting, it's terrible or terribly, it kills me. If I would have the linguistic power, there are words I would ban in the dictionary because of their weaknesses or their differences in energy levels. Words such as, the verb hope indicates that you accept success and failure, making your chance of success very slim. The word wish is an energy transfer. I wish you to live great moments. In this sentence, my energy accompanies you in your intentions. I'm not wishing anything for myself. Desire is also a word that only expresses a dream and nothing real. I don't desire anything. I have the power to decide. It is very different. Remember this. I take it, it's mine, and I own it. In fact, thought energy is exactly like the air we breathe. You never thought about it, but you know it instinctively, that if you block your mouth and nose, you die. It is natural to breathe, so we breathe normally. To think is normal, but we need to learn a better thought process to accomplish things. Realization begins with thinking. The exercise I suggest is to pay attention to how many times you say, there is no problem. Until our next meeting, find another expression to replace it. Ciao!